Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today we have a very special guest. This is Gianna, a very good friend of mine, and today we are going to be doing the 3 colors of glue slime challenge. So how this works is we have these beautiful rainbow colored glues, and I'm going to close my eyes, pick 3, we're going to go back and forth, and we have to make slime with the colors we pick. Right there. I'm going to mix these up. Close your eyes.
I'm going first?
Yes, you can go first. Okay, so what it looks like. You're right there, pick one. Purple. Okay, my turn. Mix them up.
That's how you mix them up.
Ready?
Okay, go.
Orange. What colors like that? Okay, your turn. 4 colors left.
Yellow.
Green.
Oh, that's green. Oh, that's green.
I was like, Gianna, are you okay? Okay, my turn. You still have pink.
Blue. Yellow. Go.
Pink. I got pink.
I want blue.
Okay. Well, you can't really mix them. So. Yes, you got blue. Okay, so.
You got red, orange, yellow. Oh, no, yeah, that is red.
Wait. Okay.
Hey, you got red, orange, yellow. I got green, blue, purple.
Wow.
What are the odds of that?
Okay, so I got pink, orange, yellow, and she got green, blue, purple. So it's like
pink. Whatever. Well, I like these two, obviously.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
I don't know. Let's see how these turn out. Let's start off with our first color.
Oh, first color. All of it?
Yep, the whole thing, or as much as you want. I'm gonna do the whole thing. Okay, beautiful pink.
Oh, I'm like, wait, where do I put this?
You're so anywhere.
Instrument. It's an instrument.
Oh, I love that color. I'm just gonna get as much out as I can. I love making clear slime. I have to be so careful not to overactivate this.
Nox color, which is for me is green.
Okay, my next color is orange.
I'm scared. I don't know if I want to do this, but I'm going to. So it looks like yellow.
You get as much as you want.
You actually can't really see it. Well, it kind of looks like.
These are gonna be so big.
Look at this. It looks so cool. You can barely see it, but there's just like lines in the purple.
I feel like yours is gonna turn out green or teal.
Yeah. I feel like yours is gonna turn out.
Mine might be orange.
Yeah, orange, like a light orange.
And now for the last
Blue.
color. I'm doing yellow. She's doing blue.
My darkest color. Dun dun dun. Ready?
Yellow.
Whoa, that looks so cool.
These slimes are gonna be. Yeah, I feel like yours is gonna be like the teal.
Yeah. Trail purplish, greenish, whatever you call it-ish.
Beautiful. Oh, it's gonna be green.
Oh yeah.
Maybe when you activate it, it'll become lighter.
It looks like it's gonna be like an orange. I like yours better than mine.
I feel like it's gonna be a lighter orange color, maybe. Okay, so we just added a little bit of water into our glue because it's gonna make the slime a lot more stretchy. So.
It's like bubbly, like that.
Yeah. I find adding water makes it more stretchy. I love the color of yours. I like the dark green.
Yours better.
And by the way, we are activating with our borax solution. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna start this.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna be so careful not to overactivate this.
Whoa, I made like a hole. Trying so hard not to overactivate this. So to make the whatever it's called.
The color's gonna lighten up a lot. I was like, oh.
I
Good
won't
times.
do that. Okay,
Look at this.
Stick it. Oh, jeez. Oh, just like
I
here.
think I started today.
Can you tell everybody? Can you tell?
I might need to use some of your activator. Mine's like
Oh, wow.
almost gone.
Oh my gosh! What was that?
Gianna! I'm just kidding. I can't even see it. So.
Just totally like splat out. Alina! No! Dun dun dun! Oh,
Bye bye.
mine's still like liquid.
Yours looks like aloe vera. It's so pretty.
Aloe vera. Dun.
Look at
It's
that.
called aloe. Not aloe vera. It's called aloe. Stick it in.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not careful.
I'm like, I went, and like it just.
I always spray activate all over myself.
Well, I just.
Listen to that sound.
Ugh, it's so unsatisfying. See, watch. This is what I did. Oh my gosh! I did it again.
Spraying it all over me.
Da-da-da. So sticky. I have to overactivate it. Looks like aloe vera. How do you say it?
Aloe vera. Beautiful. The color turned out really nice.
I actually like it now, but I still like yours better.
So here are the finished slimes. Mine is like an orange and hers is green. Be sure to comment down below who you think won this challenge. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Bye! See you next week!